Are you looking for an easy way to clean your dog's teeth? Then these Minties are for you. I love the tagline. Keep your dog's smile in mint condition. These help remove plaque and tartar. They are great for daily oral care and they are vet recommended. They have this scrubbing texture with these little bumps and divots. So that's giving you maximum tooth abrasion. And they have 5 natural breath fresheners: alfalfa, peppermint, parsley, fennel, and dill. And so your dog is going to be fresh. These are easily digestible and wheat free. And they also do not have soy, corn, added sugars, or added salts. Make daily dental care easy breezy. Peppa gives these 2 paws up, and I give them 2 thumbs up. Seriously, put these in your cart. Links are below. Loving them. Check them out.